What's up, DoorDash drivers? You're probably wondering, when am I going to see my 1099 form come in on my app, and how do I find it from DoorDash? Well, they will have it to you no later than December 31st. That is the legal requirement for them to get that out to you. And you will have had to made over $600 to receive this document. So if you haven't made $600, don't worry about it. This isn't for you. I will go through the step-by-step process for everyone to know how to find that document right here, right now. To start off with, go to your home screen and click on the three bars on the top left-hand side. Once you've clicked there, go in and find your earnings tab and click earnings. Once in your earnings tab, you'll need to click on view payout details. Now you're going to want to click on tax documents at the bottom. You will see displayed 1099 from 2025, not seen here because they're not out yet, but you'll see it there, 2025, so click on that. This will pop up your 1099 form from 2025, and in the top right-hand corner, you can send it to your email or message it to someone else to print. Well, there you have it, the process so you can find your 1099 form. I wish you guys the best of luck. I hope the taxes turn out for you and you can continue being a DoorDash driver. Until the next video, take care.